Welcome to Alex's Skill Channel. Today, we will explore the 10 most giant and powerful wood-cutting machines on the planet. Let's take a look at how these machines work and why they are important in the modern wood industry. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on interesting videos. The Wood-Mizer LT70 super hydraulic handheld saw is one of the highly rated saw lines in the woodworking industry. Designed to optimize efficiency and productivity, the LT70 Super Hydraulics is the ideal choice for small businesses and large-scale woodshops. Below are some highlights and detailed reviews of this car model. Design and structure: Wood-Mizer LT70 Super Hydraulic is designed to be sturdy and durable, with a high-strength steel frame that helps the machine operate stably during operation. The machine has a powerful hydraulic system, allowing for easy and quick adjustments. Outstanding features, power and performance. LT70 Super Hydraulic is equipped with a powerful motor that can saw large blocks of wood with high speed and precision. The machine is capable of cutting up to 36 inches in diameter and up to 20 feet in length. Hydraulic system: the machine's hydraulic system assists in lifting, moving, and fixing wooden blocks, helping to reduce labor and increase work efficiency. Easy control: the control panel of the LT70 Super Hydraulic is designed to be user-friendly. Easy to adjust and operate even for those without much experience. Advanced features: the machine is also equipped with features such as automatic thickness adjuster, saw blade cooling system and automatic sawdust removal system, helping to optimize the sawing process and protect machinery. Although the initial investment cost for the Wood-Mizer LT70 Super Hydraulic may be higher than other machine models, with its outstanding performance and intensity, the machine will bring long-term economic benefits. The ability to cut quickly and accurately reduces time and labor costs, while increasing the yield of converted wood. Wood-Mizer LT70 Super Hydraulic is an excellent choice for woodshops and woodworking businesses. With outstanding features and performance, the machine will bring long-term economic efficiency and help increase work productivity. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you in the next video.